Oh, bird watching is jolly fun, something rare to see. The way a mother feeds her young in a nest in some tree. Oh, that skinhead bird I've often heard. He lacks class and culture, but at a glance is for romance with another female vulture. I see a woodpecker in the tree. That bird looks crafty and sly. By the look in his eye, I believe he's watching me.
Peekaboo!
You are not to watch me. I'm a bird watcher, and I'm supposed to watch you. I want to watch the habits of a woodpecker.
I got a lot of habits, and they're all bad.
Don't do that. I said don't do that. You're just a smart, alecky woodpecker.
Well, you don't know anything about bird watching. I wash my hands of the whole thing.
Wait, woodpecker. If you do something, I promise to watch.
Okay, what's this?
What was that?
See, you weren't watching. If you're going to watch me, you'll have to watch closer.
Well, I can't see a thing.
What you need is a special course in bird watching. Sit down. First on the program will be a woodpecking demonstration. Watch closely. Quick, move your chair to the left. That was a close call. I almost missed her. Next on our bird watching course will be bird nesting. You gotta get a closer view. Up you go. Up, up, up. I doed it. Rock-a-bye-meanie on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. Down will come me. Nest, eggs, and all.
Woodpecker, come back here. You just wait till I get my hands on you.
He went that way.
Don't you try to fool me, Woodpecker. You're the most exasperating bird I ever ran into. I'll teach you how to behave.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. You want to know about birds?
Naturally.
Well, to know about birds, you gotta act like a bird and think like a bird.
I do?
Certainly. I'll teach you how to fly. Put out your arms. Now flap them. And think bird.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. Look at me. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm a bird. What went wrong?
You need feathers.
touch me, Vulture! Go away from me! Help! Help! Put me down!
The vulture carries her off into the sky.
Well, she wanted to know about birds.